Hi guys, welcome back to MathFit. In this video, we'll learn how to solve system of linear equations using elimination method. Let's move to the first problem. 2x plus 3y equals to 13, 2x minus y equals to 5. So we need to eliminate either x or y so that we can get a value of other and substitute that value later and get other value. Now let us see. You can see 2x and 2x is common in both equations. If we subtract equation 2 from 1, 1 minus 2, then this 2x minus 2x will become 0. This 2x get cancelled. That's why let us try to subtract equation 2 from 1. So 2x minus, okay, let me write this 2x plus 3y. If you bring this to other side, becomes minus 13 minus 2x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. So it becomes 2x plus 3y minus 13 minus 2x plus y plus 5 equals to 0. 2x and minus 2x get cancelled. 3 plus 1, 4y minus 13 plus 5 minus 8. Minus 4y minus 8 equals to 0, which implies 4y equals to 8, which in turn implies y equals to 8 by 4, which is 2. Now we got y, right? Let us substitute this y in second equation. 2y minus 2 equals to 5, which implies 2x equals to 7, x equals to 7 by 2, and y equals to 2. This is the solution for the equation. You can substitute these values in the equation and it will satisfy. Let's move to the second problem. 3x plus 2y equal to 16, 5x minus y equal to 7. Let us multiply this equation with 2 because in first equation there is 2y and second equation it is minus y. If you multiply with 2, it becomes plus 2y in first and minus 2y in second. If we add these both, it will get cancelled, right? We'll only be left with x. So the idea is that. So now let us see 3x plus 2y minus 16 plus 2 into 5x minus y minus 7 equals to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 16 plus 10x minus 2y minus 14 equals to 0. 3 plus 10 is 13x. 2y and minus 2y get cancelled. Minus 16 plus minus 14 is minus 16 minus 14 is minus 30. X equals to 30 by 13. 13x equals to 30, which implies x equals to 30 by 13. Now let us substitute this in the equation. Second equation, 5 into 30 by 13 minus y equals to 7, which implies 150 by 13. 13 to 5 is 150. If we bring y to this side, right side, and 7 to left hand side, it becomes y equals to 150 by 13 minus 7. 13 sevens is 21, 7 plus 2, 9. 150 by 13 into 7 is 91 by 13 equals to y, which implies y equals to 59. 50 by 150 minus 91 is 59 by 13. X equals to 30 by 13. 4x plus 3y equals to 25. 7x minus 5y equals to minus 6. Okay, let us, if we, in first equation it is 3y, in second it is 5y. 3y, 5y. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 3 into 5 is 15. LCM is 15. So let us make both equations y as 15. So to make it as 15y, we need to multiply with 5. To make this as 15y, we need to multiply with 3. So it becomes 20x plus 15y equals to 125. Second equation becomes 21x minus 15y equals to minus 18. If we add both equations, it becomes 20 plus 21, 42x minus 15 plus 15 cancel equals to 125 minus 18 is 107. X equals to 107 by 42. Y becomes, let us substitute x in second equation. 7 into 107 by 42 minus 5y equals to minus 6. 7 ones are 7 6 are. It becomes 107 by 6 minus 5y equals to minus 6. 5y equals to 107 by 6 plus 6. If we bring the 5y to right hand side and minus 6 to left hand side, it becomes this. 5y equals to 107 plus 6 into 6, 36 by 6. Y equals to 107 plus 36 is 143 by 6. 5y equals to y equals to 143 by 6 into 5 is 30. X equals to 107 by 42. So we discussed three models. Uh, One is by directly subtracting both equations. One is multiplying a equation by a different value, and one is multiplying both equations by different value. Thank you.